What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy LJ again, back with another video, y'all. As y'all already can tell by the title though, this video gonna be about my first YouTube check, man. My first YouTube check. I'm excited to talk about this video, man. It's not like flexing purposes at all, nothing like that, but just like a milestone, man. Like, this video gonna be a milestone for me. Like, hopefully I can come back to this video in the future, y'all, and just look at this video and be like, damn, I made that much and now I'm making this much now, man. Hopefully. And also, I want to make this video just for motivational purposes, man. Like, if you a small YouTuber, man, and you want to like start doing YouTube, man, and start making money off YouTube, you just got to put the work in and keep grinding, y'all, for real. But before I even get into like how much I made, because I know that's what y'all are here for. I know that's what y'all want to see. But it was like a long journey for me to like get monetized on YouTube, y'all. Like, it was a long journey. Like, I wasn't sure what I wanted to even do with my YouTube channel before, and like, it was just a long journey, man. I got monetized like last year, and then I got demonetized, and then it was just a long journey for me to get my first check, man. I got demonetized, and then like I just kept applying to get back in the YouTube partner program so I can get paid. I got denied like 5 times in a row off of making my reaction videos. So that's when I started making car videos, man. But long story short, I'm finally monetized and I got my first check, y'all. Now, I want to say this wasn't like a big, it's definitely not a lot of money. Definitely not a lot of money. But it is a milestone for me, so I'm happy. But I do want to say thank y'all, man, for the little support group that I do have right now with 2,000 subscribers, man. We just gonna keep growing. But I just want to say thank y'all, man, because my first check wouldn't be possible without y'all. I'm gonna get into like the little numbers, man, the amount of views I got versus the amount of money I got, y'all. Like, because I haven't seen too many videos of people touching this, like how much you make from like only like 200 views or something like that, y'all. Because I know y'all probably wondering, man. So we're gonna hop right into it. Now, I do want to start off and say, y'all, like, not everybody is gonna make the same amount of money. Like, how much everybody makes on YouTube is completely different. So whatever I tell you could be completely different to yours, but it is a rough estimate about like how much I make though. So my last video, man, the 2020 Scat Pack Challenger versus 2020 Scat Pack Charger, I only got 200 views on that, y'all, so it's definitely not a lot of views. But what I did make on that was $2.05. So that's roughly $1 every 100 views, man. Now, that's actually kind of good, y'all, because some people make $1 off 1,000 views, y'all. Like, let that sink in, man. 1,000 views and all you made was $1. So I think that's pretty good for me, y'all. Once I start like getting more views, man, my money will start to add up, you know. My gas mileage video, y'all, I got 289 views right now, and I made $1.50. It just depends on how much the advertisers want to spend on your ads, man, honestly. Because the first video, my last video, I got 200 views, and then this video I got 289, and I still made like 50 cents less than that video. So it clearly just depends on how much your ads, man, honestly. But I'm not gonna show y'all like get into like all of my videos, y'all, because that's gonna take up too much time. But I will get in to my highest viewed video, which is currently at 47,000 views. Now, I didn't get monetized like when that video first started blowing up, so I got monetized when it was at like probably like 30k views, y'all. So right now it's at 47, so that's 17,000 views that I was monetized for. So I'm gonna get into how much I made. So for roughly 17,000 views, monetized views on that video, man, I made $77 off of that one. So yeah, man, 17,000 views and made $77. Like, that one is not too bad, y'all, but it's not the greatest. Definitely not the greatest, because That video, another thing, y'all, that video is only 6 minutes long, so you can't put in extra ads in your video, which brings you more money. So what that means is, if it's less than 8 minutes, y'all, then you only can put an ad in the beginning and the end of the video. So if it's longer than 8 minutes, you can put in as many ads as you want to make more money. So that is why I only made $77, because the video was only 6 minutes long, y'all. Now, y'all, I got monetized back in June, y'all. So I'm finally getting my first check, and it's November, y'all. So that's crazy, man. But I do want to say, when I first got monetized, y'all, I stopped posting for like at least 2 to 3 months. So clearly, if you don't post, you're not gonna get paid that much, honestly. But yeah, man, it took me a long time to get my first check, because I stopped posting for like at least 3 months, man. And that's the reason why my check is so small, right? So small, and the reason why it took me a long time to get paid. So I don't know why, y'all. I just got lazy, man, and I stopped posting, man. Honestly, I just stopped posting. I got real lazy. But weird time for me to get lazy, man, after I get monetized. That's supposed to be the time where you get on your grind, man, you get on go. But I got lazy, man, for some reason. Now what y'all finally been waiting for, man. If you made it all the way to this part, man, thank you for watching. But what y'all finally want to hear, man, I made roughly about 120. I'm gonna post the exact number either right here, the exact number that hit my bank account, man. I made 120. Like, as you can see, man, that's clearly not a lot of money at all. But like I said, man, I don't post as much as I should. Like, if you look at my channel, man, I post like maybe like once a week. Like, if you growing on YouTube, man, that is terrible. That is so terrible. You should be posting like at least 5 times a week if you can, man. Like, you need to be grinding. With me, I'm slacking a little bit, and I know it. I need to get on my grind for real. But yeah, man, 120, that is definitely not a lot. But I'm blessed, y'all, because I feel like this isn't a job, man. Like, this is a hobby to me. Like, I enjoy making videos. I enjoy editing videos, man. So it just feel like a free $120, honestly, man. It don't feel like work to me. So hopefully I can make this a job, y'all, to where I'm just doing this full time, man, and just having fun. So if y'all trying to do YouTube, man, and just expecting to just get rich instantly, y'all, it's not gonna happen. But if you do enjoy doing YouTube, man, and you making a little bit of money, man, just keep grinding, because the number is only gonna get bigger, honestly, y'all. But that is pretty much it, y'all. That's what I made. Hopefully I can come back to this video, like I said, just a milestone for me, man. Just to hopefully come back to this video and be like, dang, I'm making so much more than this now. But that's the end of this video, man. Stay tuned for bangers, and I'm gone.